Hello everybody. If you're watching this video, you should be to start the 7th week of this course, Computer Applications. Last week, we had Chapter 2 of Excel, along with the test. That would be due this weekend. I usually give you a little extra time. That means if you do have any, missing Excel assignments or anything like that, then it's due this week. Typically Sunday, otherwise, unless I tell you otherwise. Now, of course, during this term, I posted the final exam times. That could happen, it could be this during week 6. I might move it next semester, but just know that final exam times will probably, if they haven't already happened, happen soon. And that's when you'll take the final exam. If you're physical, then you'll probably take the final exam during the final exam actual set time. I have been, particularly for this class, known to give some of the exams a little earlier. That would give you a chance, if you did not pass, to perhaps retake it. You'd have to buy another voucher, but all the same. Also, that should reinforce the voucher for the final exam, whether you see the times there or not. You have to have that voucher. I've got a place at the very top for you to post it. As a matter of fact, receipt information for the final exam, the voucher goes there. I need you to post a picture of that. The picture of the receipt that says, $15 Certiport, or however much it costs, so I can see the receipt, the number of the receipt, and everything. If I don't have that, you do not take the final exam. If you don't take the final exam, you fail the course. So at this point in the class, if you have not gotten that receipt, I need you to get it immediately. Because I have to put all that information in, get everything set up. You do not take the final exam without it. And you cannot wait till the last week to do this. I need it now. So, if you haven't done that, do that. Now, on to week 7. Week 7 is the midterm. Now, depending on the semester, or whether you're physical or online, you may be doing this in class, or it may be like the previous tests, where you can do it kind of at home. I have a little study guide for this, and it's going to comprise, well, what we covered so far: PowerPoint, Access, Excel. So you have roughly 10 questions of each. I think the average completion time, from what I've noticed, is about 20 to 30 minutes. You get 3 chances at every question. Now, you don't get multiple attempts at this exam, just the one. So make sure you've gone through the study guide and you check through all the little trainings again before you do that. It's still going to count as a test grade, so it's not like it's 80% of the course grade or anything like that. And you do get a chance to, I probably mentioned this a few times by now, but your lowest test grade can be dropped and replaced by the final exam. So if you made a 50 on a test, or you didn't take a test, your final exam, make a 90-something on it, well, then you'd have a 90-something on that lowest test grade. And that only works for one test grade, so make absolutely sure you don't mess up on anything if you can help it. And definitely don't mess up on more than one test. So, that is all there is this week. If you haven't finished the Excel, get that turned in. And then, the midterm exam. It is due this weekend. So make sure you get all that done. As of next week, we would start Word for our first semester, or first point at this semester, and then we'll be in Word for the rest of the semester from this point on. So, if you have any questions or concerns or anything, go ahead and message me. Otherwise, have a good week.